What's up mga ka-wonder? Today we are here at Samgyup Premium Grill located at 3rd floor of Ayala Malls Capitol Central, Bacolod. And let me tell you, this place is packed. The Samgyup Premium Grill is an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue restaurant, offering a wide selection of premium marinated and fresh pork and US-grade Angus beef, alongside over 85 side dishes. Korean food has a great influence in Filipino taste. Ilabi na sa mga Bacolod nun. Sagwa pa lang sang restaurant, ginadagsa na sa mga tao, kag even malapad ang lugar sang restaurant, full pack ini. Kung crowded ang lugar, sigurado manamit ang pagkaon. The moment you arrive, ready na ang grill, side dishes, pati na ang lettuce. Kag hindi ka na maghulat sang madugay. Now let's talk about the real star. For only 669 pesos, you get unlimited beef, unlimited chicken, unlimited pork samgyupsal, unlimited fresh lettuce, unlimited side dishes, and access to 85 different Korean dishes and other cuisine aside from Korean food. Mga ka-wonder, I'm not even kidding. I went back to the buffet table more times than I can count. And seriously, every time I thought I was done, I'd spot another dish that looked too good to ignore. And every plate I tried, absolutely delicious, manamit gidya. And here's the best part, enjoying all of this with family on Valentine's Day. Food tastes better when you're sharing it with people you love.
So mga ka-wonder, if you're craving for authentic, sulit kag satisfying na Korean food, ito ka mo diri sa Samgyup Premium Grill, Ayala Malls Capitol Central, 3rd floor.
Sa 669 pesos,
For 85 dishes, that's not just value for money. That's a food experience. Come hungry, because once you start grilling, hindi ka na mapuntad. Alright, so kita-kits on the next food adventure.